What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So I'm back again with another video. This one again sponsored by GoGoCarbon, who's one of my sponsors. They deal with a lot of carbon fiber parts. Today, from the unboxing, you see right here, this is a carbon fiber trunk garnish. This literally is an overlay that goes right on the outskirts of where your license plate lights are. I'll show you on the Hulk when I get downstairs. And obviously, guys, I'm doing this intro inside. It is in the teens outside, so I'm not trying to get sick. But anyway, guys, the package, it was packaged very, very well. This is for the 15 to 20 WRX STI. It's a dry carbon fiber, has a really awesome clear coat finish, as you can see. This thing is freaking beautiful. On the back side of it, they give you the 3M tape. Guys, word of caution, again, if you are in the colder climates, try to warm up the areas before you stick it. I wouldn't recommend sticking this in the cold. It might not adhere properly. If you have some adhesion promoter, that'll help you out as well. In the box, obviously, you have your part right here. They give you a thank you card. They have some installation tips. Obviously, guys, wipe down the surface properly, allow it time to dry, test fit it first before you stick it, and they give you a little high horsepower sticker right here too. That's really it. Guys, check them out, DM them. I'll put all the information in the description. Use my name as a code to get some cash off. You know, DM them for that. And let's go down to the Hulk. I'll talk to y'all soon. All right, folks, so we're in the garage already. This is the garnish right here. This portion right here, as I said, it's right on the outskirts of where the license plate lights are. So this overlay is going right over here. Obviously, guys, make sure you test for it before you take the 3M backing off to check with the orientation, but you really can't mess it up because see how it bevels and dips right here? It's the same thing right here. So if I go like this, that's how it's gonna look when it gets on it. You feel what I'm saying? So everything is already wiped down from the last time. I'll put a link up top real quick. These are the exhaust caps. These are the carbon fiber exhaust caps from GoGoCarbon. They're holding up really, really well, and they're freaking so sharp looking, man. They're beautiful, they're beautiful, they're very sharp. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna look the same as well. Once I finish, I'm gonna pull the car out, get a couple pictures for the end of the show. You know how it is. Guys, again, if you love this content, definitely consider subscribing, drop a like and a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, I got other dope videos on my channel. Check it out. There's a lot of DIY stuff on there. So now you're gonna just see me time-lapsing through this real quick. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna just wipe it down again with my beautiful rag right here. Guys, what you're really gonna need is, well, I'm in the cold. You normally don't need a heat gun. I'm just gonna warm up the surface so the 3M tape that they have on here can adhere properly. And you're just gonna need something pointed just to get the backing off. But that's really it. You know, some of you guys can probably use your fingernails. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I wanted to show you something before I finish the install. You notice I have the backing just hanging out over here. Now, the reason why I did that is you just rip off, you just pull a little piece off, hang it to the side, hang it one on the top, one on the bottom. The reason why is you want to make sure, and what I started doing was I started installing it from the side that wasn't stuck because I wanted to make sure it was seated properly in the grooves. The last thing you want to do is put something in and not seat it properly, and then you got to pull it and mess up the adhesive or possibly bend and or break the part. You get what I'm saying? So now, so what I did was I started it over here. So once I knew it was seated here properly, I just let it fall into place on this side. And now all we got to do is just pull the backing off. And you saw me heating it up just now. Pull the backing off, pull the backing off, massage it in, And there you have it. Massage it in, and what you're gonna see me doing, I'm just gonna run the heat gun over it again. And now, guys, remember from the last video, you're not putting the heat gun close to the part. All I'm doing is letting the hot air hit it so it can promote the 3M tape to stick a lot faster. And that's really it. You get what I'm saying, guys? All right. All right, fam, there you have it. Really simple install. It's almost like plug and play. Super nice, super seamless, really easy to do. You really can't mess this up. Just follow my directions and you'll be all right. Look how beautiful that looks. Once again, guys, there's some pics coming up at the end, so you can just check out some stills of it that I took. It's a beautiful piece. Guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Check out GoGoCarbon's website. They have an awesome Amazon store. Check them out. DM them. Use my name, Wicked Whips, for a discount. And I'll see you guys soon. Look how beautiful that shit looks. Damn. Carbon here. Carbon right there. Carbon right there. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Stay blessed. I'll talk to y'all soon.